Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make wine paper bag. Start by measuring the bottle and cutting craft paper to size, leaving extra for seams and a base. Fold and glue the long edge first, then create and secure the bottom with tight creases. Reinforce stress points and add handles or decorations as desired. Test fit the bottle and finish with tissue paper for a polished, gift-ready look. Collect materials and set up a tidy workspace with scissors, ruler, pencil, glue, and tape. Cut a rectangle twice, the bottle circumference plus 1 inch for overlap, and tall enough for the bottle height plus a 4-inch base. Score fold lines with the ruler for neat edges, and prefold the bottom flaps before gluing. Keep decorations handy so you can personalize the bag after assembly. Wrap the paper around the bottle template and mark exact overlaps. Glue the side seam and hold until set. For the bottom, fold the shorter flaps inward, then the long flaps to lock them into place with glue, creating a flat, stable base. Reinforce corners with extra paper if needed, then punch holes and attach handles or tie ribbon. Finish by trimming edges and adding tissue paper for a tidy presentation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.